The Pakistan Football Federation, PFF, has hinted at holding the home match of the FIFA World Cup qualifiers against Jordan at a neutral venue. PFF has stated that the facilities at Islamabad's Jinnah Stadium do not meet FIFA standards. The home match of Round 2 of the World Cup qualifiers between Pakistan and Jordan is scheduled for March 21. However, the chances of it being held in Islamabad are slim. According to PFF, the venue was to be finalized by January 21. After a match against Tajikistan in November, efforts were made to upgrade Jinnah Stadium Islamabad to meet FIFA standards, but it could not be achieved. The biggest challenge, said the Pakistan Football Federation, is to install lights to meet FIFA standards, which couldn't be done, hence now considering the option of a neutral venue. A final announcement will be made after consultation with the Jordan Football Federation.